Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have done the concept of interest compounded half yearly. This concept. In this, we have discussed that whenever we have to find out the rate or time, we have to divide the rate with 2 and time you to multiply with 2. Okay, similarly, today we are going to start the new concept, that is interest compounded quarterly. In this, you have to divide your rate by 4 and you have to multiply the time with 4. Okay, it means this is a concept for interest compounded quarterly. Rate will be divided by 4, time will be multiplied by 4. Okay, so rest everything is same, principle will be same as it is. Okay, and these two things you have to change in the beginning, and then rest of the concept of the formula of amount, that will be same. So this is the first question. If you deposit rupees 4,000 into an account paying 6% annual interest compounded quarterly, how much money will be in the account after 2 years? So this is a solution. See, first of all, according to the statement, what is given to you? A principal is given, rate is given, and time is given. Principal will be as it is, only rate and time you have to change. So just as I have told that this is the exercise of quarterly, so you have to change the rate. You divide the rate with 4. After cancelling, it is equal to 3/2% per quarter. And time is 2 years, so multiply 2 with 4, that is equal to 8 quarters. Okay, now you have to mention here rate is equal to percent per quarter, time is quarters. Okay, mention these two units properly. Rest of the formula is same. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power T. Okay, then put the values value of R, P and T. Okay, after putting the value, you can see that some students are getting confused here. Ma'am, this is 1. How this 1 become 200 or 1 become 100 in the other questions? This is the 200, this is a fraction, this is single term. Okay, so this 1 means 1 upon 1. So you have to take LCM here. LCM of 1 and 200 is 200. 1 divided by 200, 200. 200 multiplied by 1 is 200. Okay, 200 divided by 200 is 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. In this way, you used to take LCM. Okay, now after that, add it. It is equal to 203 upon 200 raised to power 8. Then you can open the fraction up to 8 times because power is 8. And after solving, it is equal to rupees 4,505.97. Okay, so the calculation is bit lengthy, so you can leave your answer up to here, that is also correct, or you can calculate it, it is also correct. So whenever the raised to power is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to so on, then you can leave the answer up to here, no worries. Okay, because sometimes it will consume so much time in the exam. Rest every question is same as it is. Like this is second question. If you deposit rupees 4,500 at 5% annual interest compounded quarterly, how much money will be in the account after 1 year? So this is the rate. So this is the principal, this is the rate, and this is the time. Okay, what you have to do, concept is same, principal will be as it is, divide the rate with 4 and multiply time with 4. After that, put the values in the formula and take out your answer. Fine. Similarly, in the question number 3, if Sheena invests rupees 5,000 in a saving account that pays 6% interest compounded quarterly, how much does the account hold at the end of 1 year? So in this question, again, this is the principal, this is the rate, and this is the time. What you have to do, you have to divide the rate with 4 and you have to multiply the time with 4. Okay, rest the concept is same. So do this for third question by on properly. Okay, question number 4 is Jacob deposited 9,000 rupees in a bank which pays him 8% interest per annum, compounded quarterly. What was the amount he received after 6 months? This is the principal, this is the rate, and this is the time. Time is given to you in months. So principal will be as it is. Rate you divide with 4. After cancelling, it is equal to 2%. Time is 6 months. So first of all, divide with 12. Okay, because whenever the time is given to you in months, always you divide with 12. It is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 you have to multiply with 4. Okay, you have to multiply your time with 4. So after cancelling, it is equal to 2 quarters. Okay, rest of the concept is same. This is the formula. Put the value of P, put the value of R, put the value of T, and solve your question. Alright, so the last question is, find the compound amount which would be obtained from an interest of rupees 2,000 at 6% interest compounded quarterly for 9 months. Okay, so this will be the principal, this is the rate, and this is the time. So in this way you do, principal will be this, rate you divide with 4. Okay, it is equal to 3 by 2. Time is 9 months. First of all, divide with 12, and then whatever is coming, it is 3 by 4. Now multiply with 4. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. It is equal to 3 quarters. Now this is the formula. Put the value of P, then put the value of R, and put the value of T, and you will get your answer. Okay, so answer will be rupees 2091.35. Alright, so in this way you have to solve all the questions. I have solved all the questions except question number 3. Do it very carefully. It is totally based upon the concept which we have done in all the questions. Okay, so go for the revision of the previous concept also. Exercise 10.1 we have done, that was based on annually. Okay, exercise 10.2 we have left, that will discuss after all the exercises. 10.3 is based upon the concept of half yearly. Exercise 10.4 is based upon the concept of quarterly. Okay, so go for the revision of all these concepts. What you have to do in annually you don't have to do anything. You just have to put the formula and take out the answer. In half yearly, you have to divide the rate with 2 and time you to multiply with 2, and then rest of the concept is same. Okay, then for the concept of quarterly, you divide the rate with 4 and time you to multiply with 4. Okay, rest of the concept is same. So the next exercise we'll discuss in the next lecture. So till the time, bye bye and take care all of you.